Good morning, dear students. I welcome you again in grade 7. Students, today we are going to start our second session of our chapter 8, that is human environment interactions with tropical and subtropical regions. Students, earlier we had studied that what is the meaning or what is life about Amazon basin and what are its various rainforests in Amazon, which includes flora of the rainforest. It is again divided into the four layers, and next one is the fauna of the rainforest, and the very important that the climate in Amazon basin. So let's start with our second session, which includes that about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So before going to start our session, first of all the meaning of basin. Basically, basins are formed by forces above the ground or below the ground. They can be created over thousands of years or almost overnight. So this is basic history regarding the basins. So let's start with the chapter that life in Ganga Brahmaputra basins. Basically, the Ganga and Brahmaputra have their source in glaciers in Himalayas. So the subtropical region is situated between 10 degrees N to a 30 degrees N, and Ganga Brahmaputra and their tributaries form the Ganga Brahmaputra basins. It also enters India through the far eastern state of Arunachal Pradesh, and from here it flows into Bangladesh. So, in Bangladesh, the Ganga and Brahmaputra merge to form a deltas that is known as a Ganges deltas. So, these two rivers have many tributaries, and these tributaries of the river Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So this is the basic history regarding the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Now question arises that which type of climate is having a Ganga Brahmaputra basin? So it has experienced hot summers and cool winters. This area is also dominated by monsoons. Here, the monsoons bring rains in the month of June that extended till September. So, the monsoon climate and the rainfall generally from mid-June to mid-September. So, here summers are hot and winters are cool. Now, next one is the Ganga Brahmaputra vegetations, which includes flora and fauna. First of all, we can discuss here flora of the Ganga Brahmaputra basins. So, these are having a tropical deciduous trees like teak, sal, peepal are found here. But bamboo groves grown in Brahmaputra plains. Here, the mangrove forests are found, which is having a different parts of delta regions, especially in the Sundarbans delta. Next one is the Ganga Brahmaputra fauna, which is related with the animals like wildlife. Here, the Ganga Brahmaputra basins cover a large area where includes different types of wildlife species. So here, elephants, tigers, deers are commonly found. So on the other hand, rivers which have a fresh water and they are having a different varieties of fishes, hilsa, etc. And there are a variety of dolphins among here. So here the animals like monkeys, elephants, tigers found in these regions. So crocodile, alligators, Bengal tigers are also found in these regions. So our next question rises that Ganga Brahmaputra is having a which type of food production? Here the soil is almost very fertile and their main occupation is the agriculture, where they can grow crops like wheat, maize, rice, etc. But sugarcane and jute are grown as a cash crops from which they can earn their livelihood. Ganga Brahmaputra consists also various types of peoples. Here, the human settlement are influenced by a diverse topography and environment conditions. So there is a very little settlements in a mountain regions. Why? Because it is having a so much cold area. Here, different modes of transports are developed in these regions like airways, roadways, waterways, etc. And there are many big cities and towns nearby it, like Allahabad, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, etc. So, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin also includes so much habitation in mountains. Why? Because they are having a slopes are very steep. The plain of Ganga Brahmaputra basin is densely polluted. Here, the soil is very fertile and agriculture is their main occupation. And rice fields are also there, which is called a paddy fields. So these are also having a various mode of transportation which are present near the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. There are also many wildlife sanctuaries here. Since this area has many rivers, there are places of scenery beauty like Allahabad is a city which is situated near the Ganga Yamuna basin. So this is the history or a summary of our topic, that is the tropical and a subtropical region. Students, read this chapter carefully from your book. If you are having any type of doubt, then you can ask from me. Have a great day ahead. Stay home, stay safe.